Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a dramatic landscape on a black canvas. This peaceful scene features towering cliffs, crystal clear water, and a small sailboat making its way through a narrow mountain passage. Let's begin. I start by using a small piece of sponge to softly brighten the upper center of the black canvas. This glowing area will become the light source that gives the entire painting its atmosphere. Next, I mix white with blue and just a touch of black to paint the most distant mountain range. As I work forward through each layer, I gradually darken the mixture, allowing every new cliff to appear closer and more defined than the last. Building the landscape layer by layer creates a strong sense of depth and distance. For the nearest cliffs, I deepen the color even more by adding a little red, blue, and black. These massive rock walls frame the composition and give the scene a majestic, canyon-like feeling. Using a smaller brush, I begin adding soft highlights to the distant cliffs. Wherever I want the rocks to catch the light, I carefully place brighter strokes that reveal their shape without losing the natural texture. Along the lower edges of the cliffs, I paint soft clusters of distant bushes and vegetation. Keeping these details slightly blurred helps maintain the illusion of atmospheric perspective. Now I move to the foreground cliffs. I create a warm, rocky highlight by mixing yellow, red, a little black and white. By adjusting the light and dark values of these highlights, I give the cliffs realistic volume, contrast, and texture. The large cliff closest to us receives sharper, brighter highlights with more defined edges. Working layer by layer, I shape every ridge, crack, and surface, making the outer edges brighter where the sunlight strikes them. These subtle changes help the rock formations feel solid and three-dimensional. Using a deep green mixture, I add bushes growing from the rocky surfaces with small, controlled brushstrokes. Then I highlight the outer edges of the foliage with lighter greens and touches of yellow so the leaves appear to glow in the sunlight. I repeat the same process on the opposite cliff, but this time the highlights are cooler, with more blue-gray tones, since this side receives much less direct sunlight. This simple change in color temperature makes the lighting feel much more realistic. Now it's time for the water. I mix a bright turquoise using white, blue, and a touch of yellow, then apply it between the cliffs with a flat brush. Toward the foreground, I shift the color slightly bluer, while the sides become darker turquoise to reflect the surrounding cliffs and vegetation. Gradually, I build the reflections of the cliffs and bushes on both sides of the water, carefully layering colors until the surface feels calm and transparent. After the reflections are complete, I add delicate horizontal brushstrokes across the water to suggest gentle ripples without disturbing the peaceful atmosphere. Finally, I paint a small sailboat emerging from between the towering cliffs and sailing quietly toward the viewer. Its bright sail becomes the focal point of the painting, and I carefully add its reflection in the water to complete the composition. With a few final highlights and subtle details, today's painting is finished. I hope you enjoyed painting this peaceful mountain landscape with me and found inspiration to create your own version. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until our next painting, happy painting, and see you soon.